Hey, what's going on, D Revolution? Sorry, I'm just eating some candy. Um, this is a motivational video to all you authors and writers out there who's written probably 20 books in their mind, but don't have a physical book. Has never literally wrote anything. So I'm gonna tell you a quick story. When I was doing spoken word, I was performing in different open mics around the city. Now, at one point, I decided that I wanted to be the number one poet in the city. So when I made that decision, I started performing at 2 or 3 places a week. And I did this for months and months. And I did this. I mean, next thing you know, it is I'm performing, and I'm building this name. I'm building my name. I'm building my name. I'm going out of town performing. I'm doing all these things. And then one day, I was like, I was telling a friend, I said, I'm tired. He was like, you can't be tired. You want to make it? You can't get tired. This is a situation where you can't be tired. You got to go out here and do what you got to do. You can't be tired. This is how it is. You want to be the top. You're the top poet. At that point, I was the top poet. You want to be the top. You got to keep going. So I took that conversation. I related it to everything. I do so many different things, including recording this video. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Press the notification button and send me a $1 donation. And press the like and push this video to the top. Help my algorithm. Um, I do so many different things that I'm gonna say for you. If I've written 3 books and doing this YouTube channel, run a Facebook group. I'm doing, and I'm vending, I'm doing all these different things. You could write one book. You just have to get in your mind, decide that that is what you're going to do. Make it your goal, make it your purpose for the new year. That, okay, this is what I'm going to be. I'm going to get this done. Because I'm going to tell you something. If you don't get it done, and it's something that you want to do, you're gonna live with that regret forever. Get it done just so you can say that you did it, if nothing else. And then whatever you do after that is on you. But get that book done, so you can say that you did it. And once you get it done, no one can ever take it away from you. You will be Arthur Nikki, whatever your name is, Arthur Renee, Arthur whatever. You will be an official. I mean, people have to address you as an author, and there's no telling if your book is going to help others, if it's going to take off. So you have to really, really just decide what you want to do and why. Is your purpose of doing it bigger than the purpose of not doing it? You have to ask yourself that. What do you want to be remembered by? Do you want to be remembered by somebody who put out a book that helped so many people? The story was so good that people relate to your book as getting over their trauma in life. You don't know what your book is going to do. But the one thing that it's not going to do, it nothing. It's not going to do anything if you don't write it. You got to write it. And the reason why you need to write it is because the universe put it in you, the idea there for you to write it. Every story out there, every book out there comes from an idea. Everything out there needs to be said. You have to play your part and write your story or your self-help book or whatever the book is. It's needed in the world. And that's period. It's needed. And it's people like you who helps the world go around when you write your books and put your books out there. So, but you have to decide, and you have to believe in yourself, and you have to decide that that's what you're going to do. Peace. I'm D Revolution. Like and subscribe to my page if you want some motivation. I also have a mentoring service. Hit me up at blackbooksforus@gmail.com for one-on-one mentorship. And I can help you get started on your book and your ideas. Peace.